Hello, my dear friends. Well, this is Mauricio, and I want to thank you very much for placing your orders at mauriciocd.com. I wanted to tell you, and this is very important because this is kind of a thank you note from me to you guys. I found this big, large 11 by 17 poster, full color, that I want to give away for those of you who place your order for the bundle packet at mauriciocd.com. The bundle package includes the two CDs, my CD in Spanish, Ahora, which is the original music, the one with covers called Together at the Fox, and it also includes a concert program we had a year ago, and in which you will find my biography, my band, and a lot more details of what it goes around one of my concerts. You will also get your free picture as always, and I've included, the flyer, the radio flyer, a couple of more items, and on top of that, one of my tickets for a concert. So you will get all this in the bundle packet. If you order today at mauriciocd.com, you will also be participating in the giveaway of this big poster. I'll dedicate it to the winner and send it to you ASAP. Now, we will be giving away the date of the raffle, or when we're going to be letting you know who the winner is. I also found this very cool poster. Take a look at this one. Oh, this is super cool, man. Super cool. And you can participate to win a poster just like this as well when you place your order at mauriciocd.com. Get the bundle package, and yes, free shipping throughout the United States. Remember, buy it today at mauriciocd.com. Thank you very much, and I can't wait to dedicate this beautiful poster to a wonderful winner and supporter. Thank you again, and God bless you. Bye bye.